Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I hope everyone is having a great week so far. It is Tuesday for me here in Kentucky, and thankfully it's not raining anymore. Like 30 minutes ago, it was downpouring. But that is not the reason I'm here today talking to you all. The reason is we have two packages, and this is from a sponsor of ours, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So this is from OXILAM. I hope I'm saying that right. OXILAM, OXILAM. But these are LED lights for the Honda. So I have a pair of low beams and high beams. So big shout out to OXILAM for sending these out. I would not be making this video without OXILAM's support in making this possible. So I'm going to go ahead and show you all what the lights look like now with the halogens and how bad they look. And then I'm going to show you all what they look like with the LED lights by OXILAM. Guys, if you have not already, go check them out. Now, I know it's daytime, so it's not going to be the best, but I'm going to try my best to get a clip tonight. Okay, so here's what they look like right now. Again, it is daytime, so it's not the best. And these are your low beams. High beams are going to be up here, which I'm going to show you all. So there's the lows right there, and then the high beams right there. So as you can see, they're yellow. They don't look good. Also at night, you can't see as well. So we're gonna go ahead and get these changed out into the OXILAM's LEDs, lows and highs. And sorry for the beeping. We're gonna start driving safer at night because that is very important. Very, very important. Let's go ahead and get this install started. Very simple to do, by the way. I will walk you all through it. So first you need to find the hood latch, which mine is down here. Open the hood. Now, another thing we need to do is figure out which ones are the lows and which ones are the highs. I got the 9005 HB3s. That is the specifics for this car. I love when they come with gloves. I love it. They come with gloves. Guys, thank you, OXILAM. You all know what's up. Thank you for providing gloves, because touching bulbs is not the best because of the grease on your hands. Oh, man. Ooh. Yes. Guys, the packaging of this thing is amazing. Now, the real question is, let me see which ones are the highs and which ones are the lows. These are the H8s, H9, H11. So these must be the lows, I think. Another pair of gloves, very important. Pretty much the same thing. A thicker orange ring because I think these are the low beams, so they sit in there a little bit differently than the high beams, but they have a built-in fan with them to keep them cool because they do run at a little bit of a hotter temperature as far as the motor, but the LEDs are less hot because they're LEDs. So let's go ahead and get started with this install. Okay, so as you all can see here, maybe there's one light right down there, and then the other light is right in here, right where that white clip is. So those are the two. The white clip is the high, and that one right there is the low. I'll do my best to prop you all up and show you. I may have to take the light out. I don't remember. It's been a minute since I've done this. Also, I'm trying not to get dirty. So let's see how fast we can do this. Well, guys, the install is finally done. I'm going to go ahead and show you all the finished product, the finished look. Now, on a scale of how hard or easy it was, I can't really say because every car is different. But for this car specifically, this Honda, this 2011 Honda Pilot, I'd give it on the ease scale, so 10 being the easiest, 1 being the hardest. I'd say an 8 honestly. The only hard part was getting the high beam from underneath the air intake scoop from the on the right side where the battery is and all that stuff. So, but other than that, the left side was easy as cake. And again, thank you OXILAM for sending these out. I will link their Instagram and their website below. If you use code COLEDAILY, it'll get you 20% off site-wide at OXILAM. Guys, go check them out. Again, I linked them down below. Let's go check out these lights to see how much of a difference they made. I'm gonna do my best to get you all some clips later in the night. I'm so stoked on these lights, guys. Turn your lights on and brights. Wow. They're all working. Oh yeah. These things, oh. Yeah, I'm really stoked to see what they look like at night. I really hope that they last a long time. So my overall reaction to these lights is they look amazing and they were easy to install. The only and final test is tonight. We're gonna go out and test them in the dark and see what they look like. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you all in a little bit because it's starting to rain.